Hello everyone, so now we are going to do one mini project. In this one we will do the Intervlan by using SVI. So this is a small scenario we can say. So let me I will create the scenario. So what we will do, we will take 3 switch. Okay, this is a 3 switches we have, and this is one switch here, and here we will have some computer. We have some computer here, and I can take this server also. And now we can take one more PC here and one more server here. So this is a mini project. In this one we are going to learn how we can make the communication between different VLAN. So let's do the connectivity. I will connect this all here. Okay, this way. And here we will connect this way. So what we can say, this is a access layer switch and all the end devices is connected here. Now we need to do the Intervlan and we need to use the IP schema. So what I can say here, we can use here like this is the 2 computer for one VLAN, and this is one more computer for different VLAN. This is one server for different VLAN. This is one computer for different VLAN. I am using only 2 VLAN. You can do the assignment by using the 3 VLAN, something similar like that. I am using now only 2 VLAN. So here I can write like wherever you have this green color, we can do this way also. Like I can put here the green color. After that I can type here. Wherever we have green color, we can say that is a VLAN 10. Name will be HR. IP schema will be 192.168.10.0. And the other one we can take the other color, sky color, wherever we have this color. Now I am taking only 2 VLAN. Later when you do the assignment, you can take 3 also. Like VLAN 10, 20, 30, you can take 3 VLAN and do the same assignment. And here I can say sales, yeah, and 192.168.20.0, sorry, 0. And here I will mention also like gateway. So let me put here gateway will be same like what we do just now, 192.168.10.100. This is a gateway, and here I will put gateway for the machines, all machines whatever we are using. For VLAN 20, this will be the gateway. So now we will do the configuration. Let me save this lab, because sometime when we do the big lab, sometime it will struck. So better we save this configuration. So now I will do the configuration directly inside the switch, but when you do the assignment, put the configuration in notepad also, so you will be familiar, like you will be you are going to remember the commands also. So first of all, let me put the IP schema. I will put the labels whatever we are going to use here, and then I'm going to assign the IP. So here if you see IP, we will do like 10.100. This is the gateway as we discussed before, and this will be 10.2, and I will copy and paste this inside the computer, and here we will paste 10.100, and this will also the same thing, 10.3. I will put this here 10.100. Okay, and this will be 4, that is, this is the label I am going to put now the IP. So everything will be okay, just we done the basic thing. Now here also I have the computer 10.5, and then I will go here, I will assign here 10.100. Okay, so this one is okay. Okay, so this is okay. Now this will be 10.6. I will do this 10.100. Any confusion? Nothing, right? Till here just we assign the IP, and here I will put 20.1. we will go here and we will assign here. This should be 20.100 gateway, and here I have one server. This should be 20.2. this will be here in the desktop 20.100, and here will be 20.3. we will go here and we will put here 20.100. that's all. Everything is good here. Now we need to do the configuration. So here I will go, this is a switch. If you want you can rename also this switch. We can rename, like here I will label, I can rename switch 1. Then this switch, this is a switch 2. This is a switch 3. This one we can give any name. I can say here like switch 4. Now we will take the console of the switch and we will start the configuration here. First I will change the name of the switch. So host name as W1, and here what we need to do, first of all we need to create the VLAN. So I will write VLAN 10, and name we told we will give HR. Then I need to create another VLAN, VLAN 20, and name we need to give as a sales. So I give that one to VLAN. Okay, then after that what we need to do, we need to configure the interface. If you see this interface F0/4, this interface is connecting to other switch. So we need to configure this interface as a trunk. I hope you remember that one, right? Whenever we are connecting the cable between the two switch, we need to configure that interface as a trunk. You remember, right? Yeah. So switch port mode trunk, I configure trunk here. This command first one is finished. Now here F0/1 and here F0/2, these two we need to configure. We need to put these two interface in VLAN 10. So F0/1-2. Then we will write here switch port mode axis, switch port axis VLAN, which VLAN, that is 10. So I put this also good. And you have one more interface here, we put 1 and 2. This is a 1 and this is a 2. You know this, right? This we can put multiple interface by writing this command, interface range. Okay, now I have single interface, so I can do directly. So I will use here interface F0/3. I will write switch port mode axis, switch port axis VLAN 10, and I will save the configuration. So all the configuration of the switch 1 is done. I can write show VLAN brief, and we can check we have the 2 VLAN, and here maybe we forget to assign to this port F0/3. If you see, we assign here, maybe here I type by mistake 10, we should type here 20. So let's do again. I will write interface F0/3, switch port axis VLAN 20. Now I will save and I will write show VLAN brief. If you see, this is the VLAN 10, 2 ports, this is a VLAN 20, 1 port, everything is good here. No confusion, right? Okay, so now we will move to the next switch. Here also we need to do same thing. So first of all we need to give the name, enable config t host name switch 2. This is a switch 2 and we are doing for this switch. So here I will write VLAN 10 name, what name, HR. VLAN 20, what name we have here, sales. And then what we can say here, interface F0/4 we need to configure as a trunk, switch port mode trunk. Then remaining interface, if you see here, F0/1, F0/2. So these two will be in the VLAN 10. So I will write interface range, or if you want you exit here, write interface range F0/1-2, switch port mode axis, switch port axis VLAN, which VLAN? VLAN 10. And then you have one more interface F0/3. We can write switch port mode axis, switch port axis VLAN 20. Any confusion here? Okay. Show VLAN brief. If you see, we have the two VLAN, this two interface in VLAN 10 and this one is in VLAN 20. And we can write here show interface trunk. So we have this interface as trunk also. So everything is good, no worries here. So we can move to the next switch. So I will go to this switch and here we can configure. So here I will write like here we can put somewhere here and we can do the configuration. Let me first change the name of the switch. So I will write here config t, host name SW, what is the switch, SW3, and after that we can do that one. Let me do that one. First we need to create the VLAN. So I will write VLAN 10 name, what is the name, HR I think. Then VLAN 20 name, what name we have, sales. Then interface, what is the interface, range, interface range, interface range F, this one we are here, right, F, this one and this one, both are in same VLAN. So this is 3, this is 2, so we can do this way, interface F0/2-3. So we will write switch port mode axis, switch port axis VLAN 10, and then we have one guy, that is one computer, interface F0/3, we can say switch port mode axis, switch port axis VLAN 20. Let's verify everything is good or not. Here I miss, I think. Here if you see F0/4, sorry, F0/2 is in VLAN 10. 2, and what is this? 3. So by mistake I done some wrong here. Let's do again. Interface F0/3 should be in the VLAN 10, right? And one more interface F0/1 should be in the VLAN 10, I think. VLAN 20, right? This one, this, oh sorry, no, this is 3 and this is 1, so 1 should be in 20. So I done correct this one, right? Let's verify here. Here if you see, 10 is having 2 and 3, so this is 2 and which is 3? 3. 10 is having 2 and 3, and this one is having the F0/1 is having 20, so this is F0/1, so this is good, right? Now this 3 switch configuration done. We save also the configuration. We can go to this one and we need to do here. So here what I will do, here let me write no, change the name. I think here we told we will give switch 4, so I will write here switch 4. And same thing here, first of all we need to create the VLAN, so I will write VLAN 10, name is HR, then VLAN 20, name is sales. Then you have here like interface range. I can exit because I can do that way also, directly also, but if I write and press tab key, automatically it is coming, so that's why I am going directly to that mode. So here F0 by 1, F0 by 2, F0 by 3. So I selected 3 interface, and I need to configure switch port encapsulation, switch port trunk encapsulation .1q, this one, because this is a layer 3 switch, so we need to put this command first, then switch port mode trunk. You remember that, right? Whenever we are configuring the trunk in the layer 3 switch, first we need to put this one, then we need to write this. This is nothing, just I am typing and press tab key, so automatically this configuration is coming, but actual configuration is this one only, this one and this one. Here you have any confusion like why I am writing this, nothing, right? Directly we need to write this. Yeah, whenever I am writing little and pressing tab key, so it is coming. Then again I am writing little, pressing tab key, so it is coming. Again I am writing little and pressing tab key, so it is coming this. So now this one I can save, but if you ping it will not work. Example, I will go here, because SVI we did not done, so it will not work. I can write here ping 192.168.20.1, it will not work. If you cross check, it will not work. So request timeout. So what we need to do, we need to do the intervlan. So intervlan means simple, just we write interface VLAN 10, right, and IP address, whatever the gateway we told 192.168.10.100, give, okay, okay, we forget that one, we will do that one. So we can do anything first, anything second also, no problem. So I will do that one also. So example, I done this VLAN 20 also, I will assign here, and I will write 192.168.20.100 255.255.0, and we write no shut. After that also, if you start pinging, it will not work because we forget to enable the IP routing, so we need to enable that one. So how to enable means we need to write IP routing. It will not work because see, everything we done, some in real scenario also sometime we forget, and we face like this issue. At last we figure out we forget to write IP routing, and when I type this one, after that it will start working. It will take some time, then it will start working. Let me ping, see, now it is working. So IP routing is also very important command. And if I ping the 20.2, see here also it is working. It will take some time, then it will start working. First packet will drop for ARP, and if I put 10.23 also it will work. 10.3, 20.3, it will work. This one also going to work. Yeah, no doubts, right? Any confusion here? Okay, so with this one we finished the intervlan.